Hello, in this video, we're going to ask ourselves this, and we're going to answer it. Why is 0 over 0 indeterminate? Now, I believe you've come across videos like this, where they tell you that we have 0 over 0, they say 0 over 0 should be equal to a particular number n. Then they give you that if this is true, then 0 will be equal to n times 0. Okay, great. Now, what value of n will make this equation to be satisfied? No. Now, take note of this product. 0 times whatever number we have on a set of real numbers, even 0 itself, the result is still 0. So, whatever value of n, this equation will be satisfied. So, because of that, n is indeterminate. 0 over 0 should be equal to n. So, since n cannot be determined, then 0 over 0 is not determined. Now, what do you mean when you say something is indeterminate? That is to say we don't have a specific value or a specified value or a precise value for the fraction. Okay, great. This could be so because of the different result that we have at the end of this division, 0 over 0. Now, great. I want to show us, like I said, a different analysis on this, which I believe you've not heard of it before, but it always exists. You observe that when we have a fraction, let's say n over m, okay, this fraction will be equal to 1 if and only if n is equal to m. Understand that? All right. Now, this will be equal to 1 if and only if n is equal to m, and take note that n and m should not be 0. Okay, but let's forget about the restriction n and m being 0. If n and m are 0, like I said, if m is equal to n, it should be 1. So this should be 1 because the numerator and denominator are the same. Okay, great. We're going to follow this. All right. Now, n over m will be 0. Okay, if a fraction will be 0 if the numerator n is 0. All right, great. And at the same time, a fraction will be very, very large. It will approach a very large value. In fact, it continues to be large if the denominator is equal to 0. So if m is equal to 0, then this fraction will be very large. That is to say, 0 over 0 can be 0, and 0 over 0 can get very large due to the quality of the numerator and denominator, due to the numerator and due to the denominator. So we can have this as our result. The first is 1, this and this are the same. The second is 0, the numerator is 0, and the third is very large or tends to infinity, increases without bounds due to the denominator. Okay, so with this, I can say that 0 over 0 doesn't approach a certain value. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.